Hit that subscribe button, join the MA crew, and let's build this together.
You bring the effort, we'll bring the energy.
The honest answer. Should beginners go to the gym or stay home? Everyone online is either telling you to get a gym membership or that you don't need one. So who's actually right? I'm giving you the honest, no-fluff answer today, and it might surprise you. I've trained hundreds of beginners, some in gyms, some in their living rooms, and I've seen both work and fail. Today I'm breaking down exactly which one is right for you based on your lifestyle, budget, and personality. The gym is amazing. If you're ready for it, here's what nobody tells you as a beginner. Best equipment for long-term results. Trainers, community, energy. Intimidating when you don't know what you're doing. You can waste months just figuring out machines. Home workouts get a bad rep. But here's the truth. Best place to build the habit first. No judgment, no commute, no excuses. Easy to quit when Netflix is 3 feet away. Limited progression without equipment. Here's what I actually tell every beginner who asks me this question. Start home. Graduate to the gym. Spend your first 4 to 6 weeks at home just building consistency. Once working out feels like a habit, then get the gym membership. You'll walk in confident, not confused. You should start at home. If you're on a tight budget, you need accountability, you're self-motivated, you should go to the gym. If you want a trainer, you feel gym shy, you love social energy, you travel or have a busy schedule, you're serious about lifting. So there you go, the honest answer no one else will give you. Drop in the comments. Are you a home or gym person? Don't forget to subscribe. New workout content every week. Let's get it!